Welcome back to Virtual Earth Science. I wanted to post a really quick video for you guys to show you how to submit assignments to me in Canvas. So what you're going to do is when you click on an assignment down here, it's going to give you one of several types of assignments. The first type is going to be this quiz assignment here. So it'll give you a due date, the amount of points possible, number of questions. There's usually not going to be a time limit, and then allowed attempts. Anytime it is a regular homework assignment, even if it's set up as a quiz, you're going to get unlimited attempts on this. If it is some type of quiz setup that's graded automatically, you can take it as many times as you'd like until you get a 100%, and then it will keep the highest score you get. If it's something that is a paper submission, you can submit it the number of times it will allow. All you have to do for these quizzes is just, when you get to this page, read the instructions, click on Take the Quiz, answer the questions, however many there are, and then when you're done, the blue Submit Quiz lights up. Click on that, and you're good to go. It will tell you automatically what your scores are because it is graded right away. The second type of assignment that you can get is a discussion post. So if you get a discussion post assignment, there's always going to be a prompt here. You will not see any replies to it until you have posted your own reply. So you have to make a post first, and then you can see everybody else's replies. Once you've got yours posted, go back and respond to a few of your classmates. That way you guys can have conversations with each other even though we're not in person together. It's especially important in this introduction post that we're going to have, so that we can all get to know each other. And we want to start off those relationships, building those relationships with your classmates. The last type of assignment you can get is one where you're actually going to turn in a document. So in all of these, you'll have instructions here, you'll have your assignment page on here. Some of them will have a link to make a copy of the document for you to type into. Some of them will say create a blank document in your Google Drive and answer this. If you ever want to do any of these on pencil and paper, that's completely fine. You're still going to submit them through Canvas, so just do them on paper and then take a picture of it, and you can submit the picture. If your phone does not take JPEG pictures, you can always create a Google Doc and insert the pictures into the Google Doc. So once you're done with the assignment, you're ready to turn it in. You're going to scroll down to the bottom here. You can drag and drop a file as long as it is, I believe, a Word or Excel format. I can see it. Make sure that when you upload it here, it gets attached. We only have a limited amount of space on this, so the best way to do it is you can either click on text entry and type directly into the box, or the preferred method is click upload and then use this Google Assignments tab right here. We are not going to use these others. Any of these first four you're just going to ignore. We're not using those in my class. So use the Google Assignments tab. You're going to click this and it will pop up a menu that tells you to choose your Google Drive. So I'm going to do that really quickly. And then once you get to your school account here, you're going to hit Select File. And then in your Google Drive, you'll just choose one of your files, whichever one it is that you want to attach. Click Add. And then once you click Add, it will attach that file. So please make sure that that is done and you have your permissions set correctly on this. It's super important. Once you do that, then you'll click Submit Assignment down here. And then you are good to go. Make sure that when you do it, that you have your permissions set to anyone on the internet can view. Permissions are set in the document itself. In the upper right hand corner of the Google Doc or Google Sheet, it has the button that says Share. You're going to open that, make sure that it says anyone on the internet can view. If you don't set it to this, Canvas cannot pull the information in. If Canvas can't pull it in, I can't see it. If I can't see it, I can't grade it. And then it's just as if you never turned it in. Make sure that you're paying attention to due dates. Getting things turned in on time is super important because the further behind you get, the more swamped you will start to feel. The further and further behind you get, it's really hard to catch up at a certain point. So we don't want that to happen. We want you guys to stay on top of things. That's how you will submit assignment in my class. So make sure that you are following these guidelines, text entry or Google Drive. Make sure that you submit your reply, respond to classmates, and submit your quiz. Take it as many times as you need to get a score that you're happy with, as long as it has attempts left up here. Any questions, feel free to use this inbox tool over here to shoot me an email. Remember that I will not see messages through Gmail, so you have to use the Canvas inbox to get in touch with me, and I will see you next time.